Everyone, welcome to Lady B Gardening. My last video on watermelon, when I was doing the pollination video, I did it on the 23rd of July. Just to show you what happened when you hand pollinate the watermelon yourself, and you see the big difference. So today's date is the 30th, so should we say after six days or 7 days later, look, the watermelon has gone big. It has gone big. It has grown big. And that's because of the power of pollination. See? That's a big difference when you hand pollinate your watermelon. That's what happens. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a blessed day and take care. Bye.